Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix It's Verify You step by step with real demonstrations. As we know that sometimes it's very important that how to the fix, because it will bother you again and again when you log in your channel or your Gmail. Then it will ask you again and again the verify it too, and it will bother you, it will disturb you, interrupt you while you're doing anything on your channel, spontaneously of course, on your Gmail. So right now, see guys, when we cut it from here, and then once again if I go on this channel, it's saying always it's verify you. So let me log in firstly this channel, and live we will fix. So don't skip ahead, every step is going to be crucial. Now see, this is a logged channel, so just we will go for YouTube Studio, and here when we come on here, now see here, automatically it will detect you that it's verify you now. See, so we will have to go for next here. In next, it's firstly asking the phone number and the further. So let's see. Yes, we will go for send it, and now we can see one OTP has been generated on this particular number. So let's have. Now just we will tap to an X and see here. Now finally it has been the fix. So how's this can be fixed, guys? Here sometimes of course you will have to especially regenerate a password also. So right now it has been completely fixed. So by a simple strategy, don't bother that what's it's coming. So of course easily by that you can fix it. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you for staying at the end of this tutorial. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with a step by step with new tutorial. So thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this content so that it really supports in this channel, guys. Thank you very much indeed.